listen begins with a voice crying, "Hear me out." But when no one hears, with patience at an end, the whisper rises to a shout. Then the tide of tears starts to turn, and the flames of fear start to burn, till the fires rage, eye for eye, from age to age. The bloody hands writing history's page. We cry peace, 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 but there is no peace. Lord, forgive us, we know not what we do. Till the cries for justice have been answered, peace will be an empty word. Until the sun sets on our hatred, until the sun sets on our greed, until the empire's walls start to crumble, and we learn again to see our neighbor's need. We'll cry peace, 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 until there is peace. Lord, be with us, for what else can we do? Till the cries for justice have been answered, and peace has had the final word. So make it real, make it something you can feel. Look up higher for something cool to quench the fire. Let the raindrops fall in the form of prayer. Let the